Want to lose weight fast? Forget fad diets and unrealistic expectations. Today, we'll dive into the surprising health benefits of ginger, a powerful root that can boost your metabolism and improve digestion. Plus, we'll share easy, sustainable weight loss tips that fit into your daily routine. Transform your body and feel healthier in just a few weeks with these simple, effective strategies. Hello and welcome. Are you tired of trying every weight loss trick without lasting results? It's time to focus on holistic wellness. Ginger, a humble root, packs incredible health benefits. From boosting metabolism to aiding digestion, ginger can be a game changer in your wellness journey. Stay tuned as we explore how this powerful ingredient can transform your health and help you achieve your goals. Let's dive in. Ginger is a powerful root that aids digestion, relieves pain, and fights colds. Its potent antioxidant properties help protect against cell damage and inflammation. You can easily include ginger in your diet by adding it to tea, stir-fries, smoothies, or even soups. Regular consumption of ginger can enhance your overall health and well-being, making it a versatile and beneficial addition to your daily routine. For sustainable weight loss, hydrate, eat balanced meals, control portions, and reduce sugar. Regular exercise, quality sleep, and stress management are also key. Explore herbology for weight loss. Ginger tea boosts metabolism. Peppermint tea suppresses appetite. Green tea, turmeric, and cinnamon support weight loss naturally. Ditch quick fixes. Embrace sustainable wellness. Share your favorite ginger recipes in the comments. Subscribe for holistic health tips and transformative journeys.